Alright, so watch till the end so you don't miss out on any crucial information, especially the part where you get your unique affiliate link and start earning commissions. First, go to skool.com and log into your account. You must have a Skool account to access the affiliate program, even if you're just using the free version. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From the side menu, you'll see the Affiliate tab. Click on it. This is where you'll find your unique affiliate link, highlighted in blue. Start sharing this link with your audience, whether it's on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, email newsletters, or even inside your own Skool group. Let's test the link. To do this, first copy the link and then paste it in the new tab. You'll see a message saying, "You were referred by Stephanie Williams." Anyone who signs up using this link becomes a paid member through your link will earn you 40% recurring commission every month, for as long as they stay subscribed. Let's say if someone signs up for a $99 per month Skool plan through your link, you get around $40 every month passively. Now imagine that multiplied by 10, 20, or 50 people. It stacks up fast. Skool even provides you with basic stats to track your referrals and earnings right from your dashboard. If you're already running a group on Skool, casually recommending it inside your content or modules is one of the easiest ways to get referrals, no hard selling needed. And that's how you can become an affiliate for Skool Community. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next one.